it's probably time to pull in the clutch. When it's jumping, then you just kind of feather the clutch. You're probably in second gear. Well, and first is always going to be real jerky because that's your lowest gear. Oh, when you come up to that stop sign, stop before or after that big ditch. That way your feet aren't dangling so high in the air. Didn't stop all the way? Yeah. Okay. All right. Cruise control. I think that's more intended for the highway. Oh, there's a GS. At least the highway doesn't look as busy. Oh, you want to go through the puddle again? Uh-oh, going for the puddle. Oh, these are the apartments I almost went for that I was checking out online. Could you imagine moving everything upstairs, though? That would have really sucked. Oh, yeah, it's pretty. Uh-oh. Going for it, huh? You do look wet. Yeah, that's cool. Okay.
I just pushed it as hard as I could and it wouldn't off.
It looked like it was locked up.
Maybe the water.
And it went down and it wouldn't stop. If there's no one coming, I'm going to blow through the stop sign. Not even working.
Whoa! I think you can go for it. Oh, running stop signs.
Don't give a shit. We're going to just nickname me Crash.
Oh, Crash, huh?
Adventure Crash.
Adventure Crash, yeah.
Adventure Halt fucking